You and I have seen it time and time again. iPhone versus professional camera. But be honest, how does this look? I mean, I'm looking at it, I'm monitoring it on my second screen, and I'll be honest, I am very pleased with how this looks, and honestly very shocked that I can get an image just like this, just off my phone. Here, let me show you guys what you look like. And that's all there is to it right there. Just a little iPhone on a little stand, on a little MagSafe stand. And I just monitor on a MacBook. This thing is insane. Alright, this is probably not going to be a perfect comparison, but now I put you guys on a little tripod facing me. So, this is probably not going to be a perfect one-to-one, but genuinely cannot believe that this phone, this little phone right here, is competing with my brand new $4,000 camera that just came out a couple weeks ago. And obviously, it's not perfect like the $3,000 camera. I mean, it has better background blur, better dynamic range, a lot more it can do than just videos. But at the same time, there's a lot more equipment that goes into making this right here look good compared to just making something like this look good. And I think we're at a point right now where genuinely most people could just get away with using a good old phone and a really cheap microphone like this one right here, which cost me literally $35. And you're listening to it right now. And it's wireless. All that to say, I'm not going to be selling my expensive camera anytime soon, especially because I just bought it. But man, does this test show that you can really start making content with just your phone. You don't need to have a full-blown setup. You don't need to have all the gear in the world to start making content. What you need is a topic to talk about and to actually hit the record button. It's a short, sweet, to the point video right there, where there's so much subtopics I can go into. Like, what app am I using to record all this, to make it look so cinematic directly out of the camera? I have been looking at various apps and testing out various apps for the better part of a year now. So, potential video coming up on that soon. A lot of unheard of apps in that list. So let me know if you're interested in content like that. One more thing, I do have gear lists to all the gear I use, whether it be this microphone or the camera you see there, or the cage on the camera, or the tripod. I have links to all that gear in the comments below. Feel free to check it out. I just know a lot of people love to ask what gear I use. So it's there for all of you guys who are interested. Stay tuned for more content, and hopefully this channel can bring you value. You guys stay healthy. Take care. I'll see you guys in the next one.